Inside Ellen DeGeneres' $27 million Montecito mansion, in the scenic enclave of Montecito, California, lies a property that epitomizes luxury and tranquility. Ellen DeGeneres' $27 million mansion. This exquisite estate, owned by one of the most renowned personalities in entertainment, is more than just a home. It's a masterpiece of design and comfort. From its architectural elegance to its interior opulence and the serene beauty of its surroundings, every aspect of Ellen DeGeneres Montecito mansion exudes a sense of sophistication and calm. Get ready to be captivated by the allure of this magnificent estate. Architectural elegance and design. Ellen DeGeneres Montecito mansion is a testament to architectural brilliance. Designed with a Balinese style in mind, the property spans over 8.24 acres, offering both privacy and panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. The mansion's design seamlessly blends contemporary aesthetics with natural elements, creating a harmonious balance between luxury and the serene Montecito landscape. The structure of the mansion is a marvel in itself. The use of natural materials like wood and stone, along with expansive glass walls, allows for an abundance of natural light and a constant connection with the outdoors. The grand entrance and living spaces. The entrance to Ellen's mansion sets the tone for the rest of the property. A grand, welcoming space, it leads into the main living areas, which are designed with an emphasis on comfort and elegance. The living room, with its high ceilings and large windows, offers breathtaking views of the estate's lush gardens and the ocean beyond. The use of neutral colors and natural materials in the decor creates a calming ambience, making it a perfect space for relaxation and entertainment. Adjacent to the living room is the dining area, a space that embodies sophistication. Luxurious bedrooms and bathrooms. The mansion boasts several bedrooms, each designed with a unique theme and offering spectacular views. The master suite is particularly impressive, with a spacious layout, a private balcony overlooking the ocean, and a fireplace that adds a cozy touch. The suite also features a walk-in closet and a master bathroom that rivals any luxury spa, complete with a soaking tub, a steam shower, and exquisite fittings. The guest bedrooms are no less luxurious, each offering comfort and privacy. The bathrooms attached to these rooms continue the theme of luxury, with high-end fixtures, beautiful tiles, and a design that emphasizes relaxation and indulgence. Gourmet kitchen and wine cellar. The kitchen in Ellen's mansion is a blend of functionality and style. Equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, ample counter space, and custom cabinetry, it's a dream for both the professional chef and the home cook. The kitchen also features a casual dining area, perfect for morning coffee or informal meals. For wine enthusiasts, the property includes a temperature-controlled wine cellar. This space is not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing, with its custom storage and intimate tasting area, making it an ideal place to host wine evenings. Outdoor paradise. The outdoor area of Ellen's Montecito mansion is as impressive as the interiors. The property features multiple terraces, each offering a unique view and ambience. The main terrace includes an outdoor dining area and a lounge space, perfect for enjoying the Californian sun or hosting outdoor events. The estate also boasts a stunning infinity pool that overlooks the ocean, providing a sense of endless tranquility. The pool area is complemented by a cabana and an outdoor kitchen, making it a perfect spot for relaxation and entertainment. Lush landscaping and gardens. The landscaping of the estate is a masterpiece in itself. Designed with attention to detail, the gardens feature a variety of plants, trees, and flowers, creating a lush, verdant oasis. The property includes walking paths that wind through the gardens, offering a peaceful retreat into nature. For those moments of creativity and self-care, the mansion includes a dedicated art studio and a fully equipped gym. The art studio, with its ample light and serene setting, provides an inspiring space for artistic pursuits. The gym, on the other hand, offers a private space for fitness and wellness, with equipment suited for a variety of workout routines. Guest house and additional amenities. The property also includes a luxurious guest house, offering privacy and comfort for visitors. This space includes its own living area, kitchenette, and bedroom, providing guests with a self-contained living experience. In addition to these amenities, Ellen DeGeneres Montecito mansion boasts several other features that elevate the living experience to extraordinary heights. For entertainment, the mansion includes a state-of-the-art home theater. This space is designed to provide an immersive viewing experience, featuring plush seating, a large screen, and advanced sound systems. It's perfect for movie nights, sports events, or enjoying entertainment in a private, cinema-like setting. private office and library. Understanding the need for a dedicated workspace, the mansion features a private office and a library. The office space is designed to inspire productivity and creativity, with a serene view of the estate's gardens. The library, a haven for book lovers, features built-in bookshelves, comfortable seating, and a peaceful ambience, ideal for reading or quiet reflection. Security is a paramount feature of the mansion. It is equipped with a sophisticated security system, including surveillance cameras, motion detectors, and state-of-the-art alarm systems. This ensures privacy and safety for Ellen and her guests, providing peace of mind in this luxurious setting. Eco-friendly features. In line with contemporary luxury homes, Ellen's mansion incorporates eco-friendly features. These include solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, and sustainable building materials. The property's design also takes into account natural light and ventilation, reducing the need for artificial lighting and air conditioning, thus minimizing the environmental footprint. One of the mansion's most striking features is its seamless integration of indoor and outdoor living. Large sliding doors and windows allow for a smooth transition between the interiors and the lush outdoors. This design not only enhances the beauty of the home but also encourages a lifestyle that is in tune with nature. Exquisite detailing and artwork. Throughout the mansion, attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the design. From the hand-painted ceilings and custom-made fixtures to the carefully selected artworks, each element contributes to the mansion's unique character and elegance. Ellen, known for her exquisite taste in art and design, has curated a space that reflects both sophistication and comfort. The mansion's location in Montecito, an area known for its beauty and exclusivity, adds to its allure. The estate is nestled among other high-end properties, offering a sense of community while maintaining privacy. Montecito is also known for its stunning landscapes, pleasant climate, and proximity to the ocean, making it a highly sought-after location for luxury properties. Luxury guest accommodations. Apart from the main residence and guest house, the estate also features additional luxury accommodations for guests. These spaces are designed to provide comfort and privacy, with amenities comparable to five-star hotels. This makes the mansion an ideal venue for hosting friends, family, and distinguished guests. For recreation, the property includes facilities like a tennis court and a walking/jogging trail. These amenities cater to an active lifestyle, allowing residents and guests to engage in sports and outdoor activities without leaving the comfort of the estate. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.